Welcome to lowkeypd. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a chart into your Google Vids scenes. So let's say you're working on a Google Vids project, you've got a scene, and this scene needs to include a chart of some data. Whether that chart needs to reflect actual data or it just needs to reflect a chart. You can go to Insert, hover down to Chart, and then you have a couple of different options here. You can insert a bar chart, a column chart, a line chart, a pie chart, or if your data is specific and you've already got a chart in a Google Sheet somewhere, you can include that chart. Let's just go with a column chart. Notice it inserts it. This is not any data that I have. This is just from a random spreadsheet that it generates. If I do want to update the data, I can click on the little three dots here, open the source, and then I'll get the spreadsheet where this data has been entered and the chart created. And then if I want to, I can just update the data to update the chart. So let's say I want to turn this 12 into a 42, hit enter, and now notice that the bar height here changed to reflect the updated data. So if you need to include a chart into a Google Vids scene, whether it just needs to look like a chart or you're actually presenting real data, you can do that by inserting a chart. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching lowkeypd.